Hello students, welcome to Saurav's classes. Today our topic is competitive reasoning, and here 5 statements are given. Now on the basis of these statements we have to solve some questions. So now let's read the statements carefully. First one is, there is a group of 5 girls. So the information primarily is given is it's a group of 5 girls. Now the second statement is, Kamini is second. Kamini is second in height but younger than Rupa. So Kamini is second according to their heights, but she is younger than Rupa. Now the third statement is, Pooja is taller than Monica but younger in age. So the third statement is saying that Pooja is taller than Monica but she is younger in age. Now the fourth one is, Rupa and Monica. Here Rupa and Monica are of the same age. So these two girls are in same age, but Rupa is tallest between them. But Rupa is tallest between Rupa and Monica. And the fifth statement, the last one, is saying that Neelam is taller than Pooja. Neelam is taller than Pooja and elder to Rupa. So it's saying that Neelam is taller than Pooja and elder to Rupa. Now let's solve the questions. The first question here is, if they are arranged in the ascending order of height, then who will be in the third position? So now let's arrange them in the ascending order. Now according to height, we can see that first is Rupa, who is taller than Kamini. Now then here is Neelam. Again from Neelam, here it's Monica. No, here it must be Pooja. And then here is Monica. And according to their age, we can say that Neelam greater than Rupa is equals to Monica greater than Pooja greater than Kamini, or Neelam greater than Rupa is equals to Monica greater than Kamini greater than Pooja. So till now we are not sure from this passage, from the given informations in the passage, that here Pooja is greater than Kamini or Kamini is greater than Pooja. So now in the question it's asked that if they are arranged in the ascending order of height, then who will be in the third position? So Neelam will be in the third position according to their height. Neelam will be in the third position when the persons are arranged in ascending order of height. So your option 5, that is Neelam, is the correct answer. Now let's go to the next question. The question is, if they are arranged in descending order of their ages, then who will be in the fourth position? So from this chart we can say that either Pooja or Kamini will be in the fourth position. So we are not sure it's either Pooja or Kamini. So one of them will be in the fourth position if they are arranged in the descending order of their ages. So here the options are either Pooja or Kamini. This one, that is option 5, is the correct answer. So either Pooja or Kamini will be in the fourth position if they are arranged in the descending order of their ages. Now our next question is, who is the youngest person in the group? Which of the following statements is superfluous? So we have to find the youngest person of the group. Now here 5 options, 5 statements are given, and option 1, that is only one, that is only statement 1 is superfluous. So here option 1 is the correct answer. So only statement 1 is the superfluous.